Kyle Jorgensen. Today I'm going to show you how to to get an accurate bore on pipe using our Pipe Master. Now, I've got an internal bore gauge here. Now, as we all know, no pipe is completely round. You know, I've got a pipe here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to come in, I'm going to program an 1/80 thou cut and just clean up the inside of this pipe. And then I'm going to measure the diameter. And I know that 80 thousandths on each side is going to be well within my tolerance of the bore that I'm going to be doing. Now I'm on my Z-axis cutting. I'm not doing D6 or D7. I'm just doing internal. So D3, I'm going to go in at 3/4 of an inch. D4, so 80 thousandths or 0.08. Now that's per side. Save it. Auto. So I'm going to make one pass. Just cleaning up the bore. Measure my bore. I've got 10.185. Now, let's say I wanted to bore that to 10 3/4 or 10.75. So I take 10.75 minus 10.185, which gives me 0.565. Now, 0.65 is the overall bore, but for the machine, I've got to split that in half, which gives me 0.283. Now that 0.283, I'm going to add to what my current position is. Process setting. I already took 0.08, so 0.08 plus my dimension, which gives me 0.363. Will give me a 10 3/4 inch bore. Save it. Go back to auto. So same dimension. We're gonna bore this to 10 3/4 now. We've offset it with our measurement, and we're still going in 3/4 of an inch. I've got the machine set at 120 thou per pass. I could go quite a bit heavier, should have, but we're going to do 4 passes on this. That was the first pass. pipe passed on the fourth. Now, measure our bore. Right there, 10 3/4. Being close, really close. So anyway, that's how it's done. Very accurate.